Hello and welcome back. My name is Dave and this is my channel. Today we are going to be making a salmon dish. We'll be making a very fast and easy recipe for the salmon. It takes less than 15 minutes total and literally has 3 ingredients. We are not counting salt and pepper and the oil that you need to cook it in the pan. First thing you're going to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And also you want to turn your pan on so it's nice and hot by the time you get there. I'm going to be using a cast iron pan. If you don't have a cast iron pan, you can always use a stainless steel fry pan, but I find that if you cook fish in cast iron, it doesn't stick as much. Also, these 3 ingredients may sound a little weird, very weird. Just trust me, wicked good and very easy. Alright, stove's ready, let's heat up the pan. So it's very easy. Here's our salmon, just bought today. I always try to use fresh caught salmon. Nutritionally, it is way better for you, but unfortunately, it's been a little hard to come by these days, especially at the grocery store that I went to. Alright, first we're going to portion this out. So this is 1 pound, which is 16 ounces. The average portion should be about 6 ounces. So, math. You know, we're looking for probably make 2 portions out of this. Alright. Good. I'm using avocado oil. Avocado oil can sustain a very high temp, so I like to use this stuff now instead of olive oil. Make sure you get all sides. And that's it for the salmon. We're just going to make the sauce real quick. Literally has 3 ingredients. First, just need plain yellow mustard. Need about a tablespoon or 2. About a tablespoon or 2 of maple syrup. And the third ingredient is garlic. Chop it up real quick. Like I said, this is one of my go-to salmons, especially when you come home and you're like, damn, it's already 5 o'clock and I gotta make dinner real quick. Alright, so you're just gonna toss it in, just mix it up. And what you're gonna do is gonna try it. I like mine a little sweeter, so make sure that it's sweet enough. Doesn't look like much now. It's got a horrible color. It's actually pretty good. You want it to be more sweet than mustardy. Titrate to effect, as we call it in paramedicine. You know, if you want it more sweet, just add a little bit more of the maple syrup. All right, let's get the fish back. Okay, so we already oiled the fish. Now we're just gonna add the sauce to it. Gonna put some on and brush it in. Make sure you get all 3 sides beside the skin side. You need a little more. When that's all done, it's time to throw it in the pan. Let's test the pan. You're gonna throw some water into the hot pan. If it does that, it's hot. Throw in some oil. Notice I forgot to salt and pepper the fish. This is the last ingredient. Salt, fresh pepper. Now it is ready for the pan. When putting fish in, you want to lay away from you and you want to put the flesh side down first. That's the presentation side. Oh, it's gonna kill me. So what we're really trying to do right now is just brown the top. We're not fully cooking it. We're actually gonna finish it off in the oven. So what you're looking for is you can actually see on the sides, you can see it starting to cook. You don't want to flip it until it's ready. That's when a lot of times the fish is gonna stick. Hopefully it does not stick today. We're gonna flip it once that side's done, and then we're gonna toss it in the oven to finish off. Give a little peek. All right. Nice color. Ooh, that's hot. Flip it. Perfect. Toss it in the oven. It's really not going to take that long. Keep an eye on it. We're going to take it out in a few minutes. Fish actually cooks really fast. We're going to take it around 120, 25 degrees, and that's all you're really looking for. So it's probably going to take about 5 minutes total to cook. So see you then. Okay, so it looks like the second camera for all that last footage did not record. I just got a message on it saying that, sorry, you ran out of space. And it didn't record any of it. So sorry if this is going to be kind of a boring video, but we only had 1 camera. But salmon's all done. Let's give it a try. I like to put a little extra lemon on there in case anybody likes to, for a little extra lemon. It's all up to you. This salmon will go great with some of that easy, delicious, everyday rice. The recipe is online. I can actually also put it in the link, amongst other stuff too. You can do some pesto, pasta, regular plain egg noodles, you name it. Let's give it a try. Let's give it a try from this one of these. We'll go right in the middle. Still flaky. I took it out at 120 degrees. Perfectly done. So delicious. You get a little bit of the mustard. The maple syrup actually adds a very unique sweetness to it. If you don't like, I forgot to say this earlier, if you do not like maple syrup, you could always substitute it for honey, but I personally like the maple syrup better. Oop. Very good. Not dry at all. Alright, so that's it. 3 ingredient salmon. Hope you enjoyed this video. On to next week, or the week after. We'll see. I don't even know what I'm making next, but we will find out soon. Until next time.